हाय फ्रेंड्स, आई एम एडवोकेट जया शिवा। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है फादर्स कस्टडी राइट्स इन इंडिया। इससे पहले कि हम आज का टॉपिक शुरू करें, आई वुड लाइक टू रिमाइंड you that before this also I have been making videos on some other interesting topics, and in case if you like my videos, please do comment and share my videos to the people who need them the most, and do subscribe to my channel for many more such interesting topics. So let's begin. तो फादर्स कस्टडी राइट्स इन इंडिया, थोड़ा सा फादर्स को ऐसा लगता होगा कि थोड़ा हमारे लिए बच्चे की कस्टडी को हासिल करना थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है। तो हम डिस्कस करेंगे ऐसी कौन सी सिचुएशंस हैं जिसको कोर्ट ध्यान में रख के फादर्स को कस्टडी दे सकती है, क्योंकि जो मेजर कंसर्न होता है लॉ का और कोर्ट का होता है कि वट एवर डिसीजन दे मेक, इट शुड बी इन द बेस्ट इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द चाइल्ड। ठीक है, what all conditions they keep in mind while making a legal decision regarding the custody of a child. It could be the parents' mental, physical and emotional ability to make legal decisions on behalf of another person, the relational history between the child and the parent, whether there has been any history of abuse or neglect or other violations, the arrangement between the parents regarding the distribution of physical custody, and the wishes of the minor child, if he can form an opinion on his own, and the financial status of both the parents. So these are the things that are kept in mind while making a decision regarding the custody of a child. So let's discuss about the points which can be which can be taken advantage of, and a father can get the custody if he claims these kind of points, in case if there is a custody fight between the spouse and the father. First, if the mother is willing to give up the custody of the child, then the father may get the custody. So there is no question of arguments or fighting a case or something. If mother is ready to give up the custody of a child for XYZ reason, then he can take the custody and he can take the child under his own custody. ठीक है, then if the mother is not mentally stable, the father is the next person to get the custody of the child. And if the child is of 13 years or more and expresses his wishes to stay with the father, the court shall grant it to the father. In case the mother is of an immoral character which may affect the child as well, the father gets the custody. If the father can prove the financial incapacity of the mother, which shall in future affect the upbringing of the child, and also prove his financial capability to take good care of the child. So this can be proved as a good point in order to claim the custody of the child concerned. If the father can prove that the background of the mother has been in dark, and that if the child will stay with the mother, it will prove to be fatal to the upbringing of the child or shall affect his mental and physical growth, then also the father will be able to get the custody. However, it depends on the decision of the court. If the mother is a convict herself, the custody of the child shall therefore go to the father. So, although the above mentioned points are a few of which are used in court to get custody, but this list is not exhaustive and it depends on one case to another. So, on the basis of facts and circumstances, the court may decide who can claim the custody of the child. However, keeping these points in mind, I would like to also mention that thing that we should not ignore, that according to Hindu Minority and Guardianship Act 1956, the Hindu child below age of 5 years shall be kept under the custody of the mother, as till this age it is only the mother who can give proper emotional, moral as well as physical support to the child. So as you must have understood with the information that I gave you above, that the topmost priority of the legal system of the court in India is into the best interest of the child. Whatever situation, whatever decision they think will help the child in nurturing in the best possible manner, they will decide in that particular area only. However, the scope of the father has not been closed also. They can claim this kind of situation if it is there, and then they can also claim the custody of the child. So I hope this video has been really helpful to you. In case if you think that this video will be helpful to some other person also, please do share it with them. In case if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment box below. I will try to answer answer your questions as soon as possible. And stay healthy, stay safe, and uh, keep increasing your knowledge. Thank you so much. Take care.